Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to wire the Ethernet cable. They call it Cat5, and also connect to the terminal RJ45 to your Ethernet cable. You know, there's like 7 pairs I think here, or 2, 4, 6, 8 pair on this cable. So first, all you have to do is you know, cut this wire right here. Make sure that you can see. All you need the tools is the crimper for your Cat5, and also a scissor, and also this RJ45. That's all your tools, and also the cable right there. All right. You know, you can also use this crimper. There's a blade inside that you can just twist it right there. I guess cutting. I don't have that other cutter for this, and then just squish it right there, and then pull it right there. Now you see all the pair right here. You can cut this plastic cut. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8 pair. There's like a pattern arrangement on this wire here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and continue. Lose it. There you go. Yeah. And you know, kind of curl, right? So there's a way how to straightening this all this wire right here. Since all of this wire is not loose, it's a solid wire, you can use your scissor by straightening it. Just hold it like that. Other side too. Other side. See guys? Now it's straight now. All right. So this is the pattern. Okay, first brown, and then brown white, green, and then this blue and white, and then solid blue, and then green and white, and solid orange, and then orange and white right there. That's the arrangement. Now we gotta put it on RJ45 and also the crimper. I'm gonna cut it right here. Right there. Now guys, you have to make sure that, you know, the arrangement is correct, and then first, you know, like solid brown, brown and white, green, and then white and blue, solid blue, and then the white and green, and then solid orange, and then white and orange. Now we gotta put this RJ45. The position on this one has to be like this, down right here. And then push it all the way. It's right there. Right? And you need this crimper right here. And then tied it. Okay. Now it's together. So I did this the other side identically the same. So I make sure, you know, the twisted wire is like correct, you know. Then I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my internet. So that's all guys. You know, that's how you wire the Ethernet cable. So I have a lot of more video to come, and please subscribe on my channel. And not only electrical, and also carpentry, and some painting I'm gonna put on my YouTube channel. So guys, and so please subscribe. Pinoy, subscribe lang kayo para alam nyo. So you can please